Stop wasting your precious time scrubbing grime and soap scum every weekend. In this video, we'll share with you 10 simple tricks that slash your cleaning routine and keep your bathroom sparkling with minimal effort, freeing up time for you to do what you want to do. Let's be real for a second. Are you sick of your bathroom getting grimy the moment you turn your back on it? That lovely combination of soap scum, water spots, and who knows what else ruins your weekend. Well, let's fix that. We're going to stop wasting precious time. We are about to show you 10 life-changing tricks that will slash your cleaning time and keep your bathroom sparkling with what I would call a shockingly small amount of effort. So, drop the scrub brush for a minute. We're about to revolutionize your bathroom cleaning routine, starting right now. Tip number 1. The 30-second sink fix. First up, the area that gets gross the fastest, the sink. It's a magnet for toothpaste splatter, soap scum, and stray hairs. The problem is we treat cleaning it like this big, dramatic event. The secret? Stop thinking of it as a weekly chore and start treating it as a 30-second daily reflex. The hack is brilliantly simple. Keep a spray bottle of vinegar or your favorite non-toxic multi-surface cleaner and some paper towel. Every night, after you brush your teeth, give the whole sink a quick once-over with a few squirts. This isn't a deep scrub, it's just maintenance. Wipe the bowl, the faucet, and the handles. This tiny habit prevents that ring of toothpaste grime from ever hardening into a permanent resident. Why is this so effective? Because you're catching the mess while it's fresh. Fresh grime wipes away like a dream. It's the difference between wiping up a little spill and trying to chisel off a week-old fossil. Do this, and you'll pretty much never have to do a major sink scrub down again. Number 2. Taming the toilet in 2 minutes. The toilet. Always the bridesmaid, never the bride of cleaning chores. We put it off until it becomes this daunting task that requires a hazmat suit and a pep talk. The secret isn't some miracle potion, it's just being a little more consistent. Just like the sink, a little attention goes a long way. Keep your toilet brush and a bottle of non-toxic cleaner right next to the toilet. Every other day, give the bowl a quick swish and scrub. Seriously, that's it. You don't even need the non-toxic cleaner every time. The goal is to stop those stubborn hard water rings from forming in the first place. A quick, 30-second swish every couple of days keeps the porcelain gleaming and makes the big, under-the-rim deep clean a much quicker, much less soul-crushing experience. You're just disrupting the grime before it can settle in and get comfortable. Tip 2.5. Men can also take some toilet paper and wipe around the top of the toilet rim after urinating to remove any urine that may have missed the bowl. This takes less than 20 seconds and prevents urine stains from forming. Your spouse will thank you for it. Tip 3. The squeegee. Your shower's best friend. If you have a glass shower door, you're familiar with its arch nemesis, water spots and soap scum. It feels like a battle you're doomed to lose. But what if you could stop the fight before it even starts? Meet your new best friend, the shower squeegee. Hang one right inside your shower. After every shower, take 30 seconds to squeegee the glass and tiles. Go from top to bottom, pulling all that water down the drain. This simple move gets rid of the water before it can evaporate and leave its chalky mineral ghosts behind. Plus, it whisks away the soap residue before it turns into that cloudy film we all despise. This isn't just about looks, it's about health. That leftover moisture is a playground for mildew. By getting rid of it, you're not just getting clear glass, you're preventing a major scrubbing headache later. It's the single most powerful thing you can do for a sparkling shower. Tip 4. The vicious vinegar spray. Those chalky, white hard water stains on your chrome faucets, shower glass, and showerhead can make your bathroom look dull, no matter how clean it actually is. You don't need a harsh chemical to fight back. You just need a little something from your pantry. Fill a spray bottle with a 50-50 mix of white vinegar and water. This is your secret weapon. Spray it all over your chrome fixtures, handles, and even your shower door. Let it sit for about 10 minutes, no scrubbing necessary yet. Let the vinegar's natural acidity do the hard work of dissolving those mineral deposits. After a few minutes, just wipe it all away with a microfiber cloth for a brilliant, streak-free shine with almost no effort. Now, a very important heads up. Vinegar is a rock star on chrome and ceramic, but it's a villain on natural stone. Never use it on marble, granite, or travertine. The acid will etch and permanently dull the finish. For those delicate surfaces, stick to a pH-neutral cleaner. Tip 5. The brilliant baking soda paste for the really stubborn stuff. Like the grimy grout between your tiles or that mystery stain in the tub. It's time to call in the gentle giant of DIY cleaning, baking soda. Whip up a thick paste by mixing baking soda with a little water until it's about the consistency of cake frosting. Slather this paste directly onto the grout lines or stains and just let it sit for at least 15 minutes. Baking soda is a mild abrasive, so it has scrubbing power but won't scratch your surfaces. Once it's had time to work its magic, it's time for a little elbow grease. An old toothbrush is your best friend here for getting into those grout lines. For a power-up, use an old electric toothbrush head and let the vibrations do the work for you. A little scrubbing, a quick rinse, and your grout will be worlds brighter. Tip 6. The dryer sheet dust trick. Dusting the bathroom is a special kind of awful. Steam and hairspray mix with dust to create this sticky film on baseboards and shelves. Well, here's a weird trick that works shockingly well. Use a fragrance-free, all-natural dryer sheet. Yep, a clean one. Wipe down your baseboards, the top of the toilet tank, and any shelves with it. The dryer sheet is fantastic at grabbing all the existing dust and hair, but it also leaves behind an invisible, anti-static coating that actually repels new dust. This means your surfaces stay cleaner for way longer. You'll be amazed at how much less dust builds up. It's a 2-for-1. You clean the dust, and you help keep it from coming back. Tip 7. The effortless showerhead soak is your showerhead spraying water in every direction but at you. That's mineral buildup clogging the nozzles. You could stand there poking at it with a pin, or you could do this instead. Grab a plastic sandwich or freezer bag and fill it with white vinegar, enough to completely submerge the face of the showerhead. Wrap the bag around the showerhead so the clogged bits are soaking, and secure it tightly with a rubber band or zip tie. Now for the best part. Walk away. Let it soak overnight. The vinegar will dissolve all the limescale and hard water deposits while you sleep. The next morning, just take the bag off, run the shower for a minute to flush it out, and voila! Your showerhead is back to full, powerful pressure. Tip 8. Declutter to conquer. This might not sound like a cleaning hack, but trust me, it's one of the most important. You cannot efficiently clean a cluttered bathroom. If you have to play Tetris with 10 different bottles just to wipe down the counter, you're losing the game. The hack is to organize the chaos. Grab some clear bins or simple baskets from under the sink and in your cabinets. Make one for hair stuff, one for skin stuff, one for backup supplies, and one for your cleaning gear. A few labels go a long way. The 5 minutes this takes to set up will save you so much frustration every single week. When everything has a home, tidying up becomes automatic. Your surfaces stay clear, so when it's time to actually clean, you can just wipe everything down in one smooth pass. An organized bathroom isn't just prettier, it's fundamentally faster to clean. Tip 9. The power of the 10-minute tidy up. The thought of cleaning the bathroom can feel so massive that we just don't do it. The fix is to reframe it. Forget the huge project and embrace the 10-minute tidy. Every evening, set a timer for just 10 minutes. Your only goal is to blitz the bathroom. You're not doing a deep clean, you're just hitting the reset button. Hang up the towels, put toiletries back in their bins, wipe the counter and mirror, and empty the trash can. It is honestly shocking how much you can get done in 10 focused minutes. By doing this daily, you stop the messes from accumulating and turning into a weekend-destroying monster. It keeps the bathroom in a constant state of almost clean, so when it's time to scrub the shower, that's the only thing you have to do. Tip 10. The multi-purpose marvel. Our final hack is all about simplifying your arsenal. The cleaning aisle wants you to buy a different spray for every single surface. It's expensive, it's clutter, and it's complicated. The hack? Consolidate. Find one great, non-toxic multi-surface cleaner that's safe for your counters, sink, the outside of the toilet, and even the tub. Using one go-to product lets you move from one task to the next in an efficient, assembly line flow. You can spray everything down at once, then follow behind with your cloth. It dramatically cuts down your total cleaning time. Pair that one spray with your vinegar for glass and your baking soda for grout, and you have a powerhouse trio that can handle anything your bathroom throws at it. Conclusion. So there you go. 10 hacks that are less about scrubbing harder and more about working smarter. It all boils down to small, consistent habits. A squeegee after a shower, a daily wipe of the sink, a 10-minute tidy up. These little things are what prevent the need for those marathon cleaning sessions that we all dread. Now, we want to hear from you. What are your secret, time-saving bathroom cleaning hacks? What brilliant tip did we miss? Drop your best ideas in the comments below. We love learning new tricks from you all. If you want to learn more about cleaning the bathroom, watch the video above. Thanks so much for watching. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more ways to make your life a little bit easier.